with Zoe. So today I'll be teaching you how to make slime. I'm back from the store. So I have some Elmer's glue, foaming soap, some lotion, and some Tide to activate it. And I have some glitter packs so I can make it beautiful. So all this cost me is $20.
Well, she got extra to make more, but yeah,
Yes.
all this
Cost $20.
was under $20, $19.59 at our local Walmart.
Yep. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take this glue bottle, open it.
So are you only going to use one glue bottle?
Yes, so I can make even more slimes. I got the next spoon. Okay. Put back on the lid so we do not make any messes.
So the glue was like the base, right?
Yes,
What was
the
that?
glue is the base, so let's try to put it back.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to unbox this real quick. Okay, guys, now we're going to use our foaming soap.
What are we going to use the, what's the foaming soap for?
The foamy soap is for it to be really stretchy.
Well, that's a lot. How many pumps did you do?
5.
Why are you mixing it already?
So it could mix it with the glue, so like when we add the Tide, it will be stretchy.
Okay, so what's the moisture? What's this for?
That is for the slime to be softer.
Okay.
That's
Now I don't know if this is true, but that's what she said in the store, so we went and bought it all.
It's already turning into kind of like slime. Ready? Let's add our lotion.
Okay. How much lotion you gonna add? Lots of air, okay. Yeah, add that air. Okay, so 2 squirts air, 1 squirt lotion. Okay, 2 squirts air, 2 squirts lotion.
Now let's mix our lotion. So this is what it looks like right now. Now we're gonna get our Tide. We have this little.
What's the Tide for?
The Tide is for it to make it to slime. So we have this 1/3 cup to pour the Tide in.
It's 1/3 cup.
1/3.
There you go.
Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit by a little.
A little bit at a time. She likes to mix it and test it, I guess.
So it's starting to clump up a little. So that is good. Got a little bit more time. Oh, it's almost slime, guys. We need a lot of Tide for this huge slime.
You should double it. I like that. She knows what she's doing.
Woo! It's taking a lot of my strength. Oh wait.
You want to switch?
No. It's almost finished, guys. Just need a lot more Tide. That's about enough. So guys, if you have like If you like to make slime at home, like if you already make slime, it's okay if you watch this video. It's just how I make this slime. So, yeah. And guys, also give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could see when some more of my videos come out. Ooh, got my hand, but that's okay.
She don't know when those videos would go out. She's bugging her mom constantly.
Yeah.
Want to make videos.
I think it's time to knead it. Going in with my hands. And it's still going to be really sticky, guys, but that's okay. When you knead it, it'll turn into slime. I'm just going to do like half. Daddy, can you hit me up with some Tide? Thank you. And after this, when we're done kneading, I'll be adding some glitter. This is going to take a long time.
And we'll be back after the kneading's done.
Yes. Bye. Okay, guys. This is my third cup of Tide, and I'm still mixing it.
Well, not third cup. You just finished the first.
Well, yeah, first cup. We don't know how many more cups we need, but I'm still kneading it. So this is an update. We'll see you guys when it's even more done. Okay, guys, so we added a little bit more Tide, but I'm pretty sure it is done.
So about another half of the third cup we used. I am not good at measurements. Mom does all that.
Yep. So here's the final product. It is really nice.
You just get that all over? Okay.
No.
It's not going to stick to the table?
No. Look. But it's still like a little sticky if it's like always in your hands. Like you still need to knead it like a little bit. But you do not need the Tide. You do not need the Tide. Let me clean off my spoon. So.
Okay.
This is the final product. It pokes.
So that's the final product?
Yeah, so it pokes really well. That could you give a close-up? Pokes extra well. It stretches wonderfully. Mixes the crunch sound wonderfully. Now let's try to make a bubble. Well, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!